For all Mac users that wish to play Dinkum, there is a solution. Dinkum works very well when run on CrossOver2. For Parallels Virtual Machine users, however, while the game may functionally work relatively well in early gameplay, graphically it has many issues which I'll demonstrate later. As of the making of this video, Dinkum is on version 0.4.6 in early access. I'll periodically update capability and functionality in CrossOver2 and Parallels Virtual Machine as Dinkum versions progress, so check the details below and comment section below to see if anything has changed. As you can see, installing the Steam bottle in CrossOver is relatively simple. There will be a few prompts that will require you to agree to service agreements and click Next. And finally, you could decide where to install your Steam files. I just leave it to the default. In CrossOver 2, Dinkum runs just as well as it does natively on a Windows PC. Here is an example of the introductory scene sequence, as well as some of the inputs and character controls. The game around your character loads very smoothly. You can interact with objects, and everything is functionally working. To create a direct run shortcut for Dinkum so that you do not need to be launching Steam individually and then launching Dinkum from within Steam, you can follow this process. You then want to save the command as a launcher. Now Dinkum shows under your programs, and you can click Dinkum directly in order to open the game. You can also right-click CrossOver and click Dinkum right within that menu. If in the future Dinkum runs smoothly on Parallels Virtual Machine, I will make a video on how to create a game-optimized virtual machine in order to run Dinkum. As you can see, Dinkum has some graphical issues when loading in Parallels. The game itself is functional, all the inputs and controls work perfectly fine, but you'll see chunks of graphics missing across various areas. Visually, this looks similar to when chunks in Minecraft do not load appropriately. However, at least in this case, the game still functionally works. You won't fall through the unloaded chunks. So if you only have Parallels to work with, the game still does technically work, at least during early gameplay. You'll just encounter annoying obstacles, such as unloaded grass tufts preventing the placement of objects or unloaded fruit on trees.